Okay, so let's talk about why our Arduino code was printing out 1 through 10 over and over only for the for loop and not for the while loop. So here's our for loop again, and over here I have made the while loop equivalent. So I've declared a counting variable, set it to 1, and then while counting variable is less than or equal to 10, we will print out counting variable. So they look very similar from the outside, but if we go into the Arduino code, we see that the counting variable is declared in a different place here. It is declared in setup. So that means counting variable is only initialized once. And then when loop runs, it just does this while loop over and over, and counting variable is incremented all the way to 10. And even though the loop runs forever, it only prints the first 10 times, because after that, this Boolean expression will be false. When it's incremented past 10 to 11, then 11 less than or equal to 10 will be false, and over it's going to check, and it's going to be false, and it will never print this again after the first 10 times. But with our for loop, at the beginning of every for loop, we get a new counting variable set to 1. So it runs this code every time, the first time it encounters the for loop. And then it runs the for loop 10 whole times, then it exits the for loop, comes back down to here, then it loops back around to the top of this loop, and then counting variable again is set to 1, and then the for loop runs 10 times. So that solves the mystery of why our for loop was printing 1 to 10 over and over and over, but our while loop printed 1 to 10 only a single time. I hope that was interesting.